how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go, of course, here on the YouTube website or the YouTube app. And once you're now here, unfortunately, you can't disable automatic dubbing on all of the videos across the YouTube website. So you can only do that by going on a video and then manually disabling it. Let's say, for example, that you're going to watch this one right here. And then once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the settings, which is right here. And then you will see this audio track. So just click that audio track right there. And then once you click that, as you can see, I'm currently on English, which is the original. However, let's say, for example, that you are listening to the Portuguese dubbing. All you have to do is, of course, click the English, which is right here. And then once you do that, the audio track or the video will now be converted into its original audio, which is the English. So if you play that, you will hear the English version of the video. So basically that's it. That is how to turn off auto dubbing in YouTube.